Hibiscus tea, or ZOBO as it is called in this environment, is not only a delicious drink and a healthy replacement for unhealthy soft drinks and processed drinks, but also has health benefits that will make you want to make it a part of your diet. And in this video, we will be looking at the health benefits of drinking hibiscus tea and, well, some minor side effects some persons experience. And so let's do this. Hello, my name is Dr. Malik King, and on this channel I supply you with practical tips to help you stay healthy, fit and happy, and improve your personal performance and workplace productivity. And so if today is your first time here, consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so you will be the first to get my videos. Okay, so before we go into our hibiscus tea talk today, I have a question for you. Have you heard about hibiscus tea or ZOBO before? Do you know of any health benefits or side effects people experience when they drink it? Let's hear from you. Drop your comments in the comment section below, share your knowledge with others, and personally I read and respond to every single comment. Now, hibiscus tea is a herbal tea that is made by putting parts of the hibiscus plant in boiling water. Research has uncovered a wide range of health benefits of hibiscus tea, ranging from lowering of blood pressure to fighting bacteria to even weight loss. And I will be putting the link to some of these researches in the description section below. So now quickly, let's look at 7 health benefits of drinking hibiscus tea. Number 1, hibiscus tea is packed with antioxidants. It is rich in powerful antioxidants that can help prevent cell damage and prevent disease by mopping up free radicals. Of course, antioxidants handle free radicals. Free radicals cause diseases. Number 2, hibiscus tea may help lower blood pressure. One of the most impressive and well-known health benefits of hibiscus tea is its ability to lower blood pressure. Now, that doesn't mean you should stop taking your hypertension drugs, and as always, make sure you talk to your doctor first. Number 3, hibiscus tea may help with the lowering of blood fat levels. Now, some studies, not all studies, have shown that taking hibiscus tea regularly can help to reduce blood cholesterol and triglyceride, especially in people with diabetes and some people with metabolic syndrome. Number 4, hibiscus tea may boost your liver health. Studies have shown that drinking hibiscus tea can improve your liver health by improving the amount of enzymes that detoxify drugs and other substances and help prevent liver damage and prevent fatty liver. Number 5, hibiscus tea may promote weight loss. Some researches, now not all, have shown that hibiscus tea may reduce body weight, body fat, body mass index, and the hip to waist ratio, even though more research is needed to strengthen this point. Number 6, hibiscus tea contains compounds and chemicals that may prevent cancer. Test tube studies have shown that hibiscus tea contains chemicals that may reduce the spread and growth of cancer cells. However, human studies are needed to confirm this point. Number 7, hibiscus tea could help fight bacteria. In addition to having antioxidant and anti-cancer properties, hibiscus tea has been shown to have some antibacterial properties. Yet again, more research is needed even in this area. Now, what about side effects of drinking hibiscus tea? Having side effects, it's not common, but some persons experience some symptoms. Some of these symptoms include stomach pain, stomach upset, gas, constipation, nausea, ringing in the ears, shakiness, painful urination, and so on. So we see that hibiscus tea or ZOBO has amazing health benefits, but it should only be used as a health drink and not as a drug to cure or treat any disease. And if you react negatively to hibiscus tea or you have some side effects, try and reduce the amount you consume or stop it completely. And as always, talk with your doctor if you have specific questions or you need some clarification. Now, did you learn anything new from this video today? Don't forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed, and I have a free gift for you. It is an ebook titled Fire Your Doctor, and it gives you 30 timeless tips to total health, ideal weight, and better sex, and you can get it by clicking the link in the description section below. Now, let's hear from you. Have you heard about hibiscus tea or ZOBO before? Do you drink it? Have you heard of any side effects or health benefits of hibiscus tea? Let us know in the comment section below. Drop your comments and share your knowledge with others. And personally, I read and respond to each and every comment. Take charge of your health and happiness.
I want to take this whole thing in one take.
Blood bath.